Participatory development refers in which the people involved in decision-making process and design implementation and evaluation of the project. This approach is based on idea that involving people in the process will lead to better and more sustainable outcomes, as it takes into account to the local context and priorities. Participatory development is used in the context of international development. This approach, based in the idea that involving people in the process will lead to better, as it takes into account to the local context, needs and priorities. Participatory development is often used in the context of international development projects, but it can also be applied in other contexts such as urban planning, public health, and community. Ngayon, may konti na tayong alam about participatory development, pumunta naman tayo sa halimbawa ng participatory development. Tara at alamin na natin. Based on my understanding, ang ibang halimbawa ng participatory development is gaya na lang ng leadership na ang bawat member at leader ay may nagtutulungan at may pagkakaisa para sa matagumpay na gawain. Ang pangalawang halimbawa, role play. Isa rin itong halimbawa ng participatory development dahil ang role play ay kailangan ng may pakikiisa at pagtulong dahil once na hindi ka tumulong, magkakaroon lamang kayo ng misunderstanding. Now, let's move on. Ano nga ba ang benepisyo ng participating in a community project? Alamin natin. Improve design through the use of local knowledge, increase project acceptability, produce a more equitable distribution or benefit, promote local resources mobilization, and help ensure project sustainability.
Bakit nga ba importante ang maging active community participation? For me, it is important to be active community participation because it will give us knowledge and we will learn more about things and we will know what they recently say about participation of community. Now, let's move. What the process of participatory development? A process through which group and communities determine through inclusive dialogue and consensus their development priorities and the design of solutions that address their priority needs, the responsibility of implementation of solutions. What does participatory development mean? It's explore the ways in which a focus on class and gender takes participatory development to a new level and considered how development agents can support transformational development, integrating the strength of political economy and gender planning into participatory. Methodology yields an approach that puts people first, that does not isolate or privilege particular sector, that places subjugation alongside poverty as social evils to be overcome, not simply alleviated, an emancipatory concept and practice of development in which equalities and inequalities are addressed together in order to reconfigure society. Benefits of majority will empower people develop themselves as they see fit. This demands a delicate and involving balance between guidance and support, facilitation, and response on the part of development agent. What examples of participatory development? First, citizens control. Second, partnerships. Third, placations. And fourth, informing. Ano nga ba ang essential reason of participatory development? It strengthens civil society and the economy by empowering groups, communities, and organizations to negotiate with institutions and those influencing public policy and providing a check on the power of government. What participatory processes, specific methods employ to achieve active participation by all members of group in decision making. Kung mayroon tayong participatory processes, meron din tayong planning. Ano nga ba ang planning process o participatory? A process by which a community undertakes to reach a given socio-economy goal by consciously diagnosing its problem and charting a course of actions to resolve problems. And now, what key element of participatory development processes? What is the ownership? Participatory development ownerships refers to the sense of responsibility, control, and empowerment that local communities gain over the development initiatives implemented in their areas. It emphasizes the idea that communities should actively participate in and have a significant role in shaping and managing projects that directly impact their lives. What heterogeneity refers to the diversity and differences that exist among the various stakeholders involved in the development process. What sharing knowledge involves the exchange and dissemination of information, skills, and experience among various stakeholders, particularly between external organizations, local communities. What is the value driven? Several core values that guide its principles and practices. These values emphasize collaborations, inclusively, empowerment, and sustainability.